Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at Incerunmen.com, an online store specializing in men's fashion. Known for trendy and affordable styles, it's catching attention online. But how does it hold up when it comes to website experience and customer service? Well, let's find out. Incerunmen.com offers a wide range of men's clothing, from casual wear to more fashion-forward pieces. Their focus seems to be on affordability and variety, with frequent discounts and deals. The website itself has a clean and straightforward layout, making it easy to browse categories like shirts, pants, outerwear, and accessories. Alright, now that we are on their website, let's not forget to talk about the pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. Incerunmen offers budget-friendly options, often featuring sales and discounts that appeal to cost-conscious shoppers. From basics to bold, trendy styles, there's something for everyone's taste. The website is relatively easy to navigate with clear categories and filters. Once you place an order, you can track its status through the website or email updates. Alright, but here are a few areas where Incerunmen falls short. First one here is the sizing issues. Many reviews mention that the sizing can be inconsistent, so double check the size chart before ordering. Standard shipping can take several weeks, especially for international orders, which might be a deal breaker for some. Some customers report difficulty getting in touch with support for issues like returns or refunds. While some items are praised for the value, others fall short in terms of materials and durability. Alright, as you can see here on Shopee, in fairness, they have a good rating, or a great rating, which is 4.8 out of 197.9 thousand reviews. Alright, and as you can see here on Trustpilot, they also have a great review right here, which is a 3.9 out of 109 reviews. Alright, as you can see here, at first, the site provided quality clothes, but over time it got cheaper in quality and more expensive in cost. Models are clearly abandoned, photoshopped, with clothes being recolored, so on and so forth. The fabric is disintegrated, some greens right here, more reds, greens, red. As you can see, the reviews are pretty mixed. Alright, as you can see here, there's a thread on Reddit. Incerunmen. One says here that they got scammed. Clothes are pretty great. Alright, some people right here are liking the quality of the clothes as well. So as you can see, the reviews are pretty mixed. Alright, going back. So is this platform worth it? Well, if you're looking for affordable, trendy fashion and don't mind waiting a bit longer for shipping, it's a decent option. However, keep in mind the potential challenges with sizing and quality. Well, my advice, start with a smaller order to test the waters before making a bigger purchase. Alright, and that is it. I hope this review helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.